Friends, welcome back to our channel Naman Baby, and you are just looking at our cute newly rescued kittens. They are about 2 weeks old. Near about 20 days actually. It's 3 weeks. They're very cute. Hey, you can fall from there. We just bring them out. Okay, go in. No, don't come out, please. Hi, baby cat. See who has come? It's Loki. Say hi, uncle. No. Meow. You want to play with them? Loki? They're baby. Let them grow, okay? Then you will play. Loki is a good cat. Now guarding her. Sorry, his little friends. Hi, Loki. This one is Loki. Meow. Cute little friends. Loki, they want to play with you. Do you want to play with them? So guys, how do you like this video? Do comment. With this I'm signing off. This is a small video of little kittens. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, Naman Baby.